Let's take a look at what's fresh and exciting in X in 2025. The platform continues to evolve, and there are some key updates you need to be aware of as marketers. One notable addition is the Community tab. It's a feature dedicated to spaces within X where users can gather around shared interests, fostering more focused and in-depth conversations. For brands, this presents an opportunity to build niche communities around their products or industry, engaging with highly targeted audiences and fostering loyalty. Another significant development is the integration of Grok AI. While still evolving, Grok aims to enhance the user experience by providing real-time information and insights directly within the platform. For marketers, this could potentially lead to new ways of understanding trends, analyzing sentiment, and even generating content ideas via prompt. Keep an eye on how Grok's capabilities expand, as it could become a valuable tool for staying ahead of the curve. Finally, X has been emphasizing interactive engagement with features like Create Your Space. This allows you to easily open a live audio conversation with your followers. For brands, this is a fantastic way to connect with your audience in real time, answer questions, host discussions, and build a more personal connection. Imagine a Q&A session with your product development team or a live discussion about industry trends. A lot has changed on X, and one of the key shifts is around verification. The X verified badge remains an important element for establishing credibility and trust on the platform. As of 2025, X has a clear system with different colored badges. The gold badge signifies verified organizations, indicating an official business presence. The blue badge is for notable individuals who meet specific criteria for authenticity and activity. Additionally, a gray badge is now used for government and multilateral organizations. It's important to note that to even be eligible for any of these verification badges, you first need to subscribe to X Premium. This is the foundational step in the current verification process. Once you have an active premium subscription, X will then assess your account based on specific criteria for each badge type. For brands and individuals alike, a verified badge helps distinguish authentic accounts from impersonators, building confidence with your audience and enhancing your authority on the platform. Understanding the criteria for each badge and pursuing verification is a key step in building a strong and trustworthy presence on X.